Okay, we continue our class. Next one is going to be for the knee. David complained this knee a little bit collapsing and create this discomfort on the side.
Yeah, on the side.
You mess, man. And so we have other friends. It's called Fitball. This is our third friend. And here, what we're doing here, sometimes it's not just a knee problem. It could be the ankle problem. I like those squeezing exercise, and my first one, it's so simple. You get the ball, the fit ball against the wall. I'm not sure if you can. The idea is, yeah, let me show you this way. So you place it in the midline, get that knee, and you start squeeze that ball against the wall. Let me show you that way. So here we go, just like that, and you squeeze. So you don't lean with your body, you squeeze with your glutes and with your knee forward. You're not leaning with your body stay here because that's what the arm is against the wall, and you squeeze. So the arms is giving you this feedback. You're not bending your body forward. Here we go, straight forward arms, so they're forward, and now squeeze. You can do a little bit more stance, get this leg a little bit further, turn out. So here we go, now he's straight. And what I see here, what I'm seeing here, he is going a little bit to the side. Yeah, he's looking a little bit to the side. And if it's look to the side, I can tap it out. Up here I can do bends. Go ahead. So I can yeah, so I'm get my arm so he's not leaning to inside. Now watch. This heel is turned, so go ahead, turn. Here we go. Now look at that. It's a completely different situation. You see the ankle was rotated this way. Now and you see how he's a little bit collapsing up here. Here we go. Here we go. That's fine. And switch legs.
That's good.
Of course. Straight, and look, this one is completely fine. He's completely set up without any problem himself. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. This one is ball is a little bit too big for extension. When you extend your spine and load your quads, let's try to do that. Turn back against that ball. Turn around, and I want you to kind of get your leg against the ball. Maybe like lean back. And I want you to squeeze one leg against that ball. You see, he's pushing. What he's doing, he's pushing. This ball is a little bit too much because I like to get that squeeze just a little bit because the back, let me show you, just hanging up there. You can use, this one is a little bit too much, but you can use even that small. So go ahead, away. Let's get this. So step. Let's see if this one is going to be good for you. Step. Now completely lean to you to the back. So now he's more leaning. Now push. Is that too much?
No, it's good.
So push. Try to squeeze. Here we go. You see? And we can do cross pattern too. He can get this arm against the wall. No, just one. It's a cross pattern. And now push this arm and push that leg. So what's he's doing? Cross pattern.
It's hard.
It's hard. I know.
It's good training.
Scratch. Let me give you a small one. Go away. There we go. Now try one leg only. One leg only. This one is you can step a little bit. Here we go. This arm up, and you push and you squeeze. Let me see it. There we go. You see? Yeah, he's squeezing.
It really works.
It really works, of course, because you work on a kinetic line.
It's hard, though. It's hard.
Let me get this camera. Switch leg and switch arm. Now you kill my light. Okay. Only one arm. Yeah, squeeze and push. Here we go. You see what he's doing? He's turned up. Yeah, that quads, that hip flexors. He's doing that, and it's also, I will probably suggest like doing this way, and you push up here. Because if you bend your knee, elbow, you also use the elbow to push against that. This is more, power come from here. I mean, you push against that. And if it's pain comes up, shoulder problem,
Wow.
Right away.
I could feel me compensating. on my
Exactly.
back.
That sacrum would start moving around because, like you say, your brain don't want that. He's like, hey, what's going on there? It's like you're like people on the street and government. We completely disconnected. So why we're doing here, we connected. He's understands something not working, and he try to do that balance back. This is the key. Also sides. Let's get to the sides. Let's take that small away. There we go. That one, you just stay up here. You can half kneeling, and you just push that against that wall. You push like this. You push. Breathe, relax. You push, you relax. You can do this way. You can also work to inside. So you push, relax. I highly go ahead, start doing that.
This one is probably going to be weak.
That's fine. And I'll show you, yeah. Okay, make sure this is the straight. You can just lean and you just push against that. He's reactivate that muscle.
Yeah, I need to strengthen my adductors.
Exactly. So he knows already. And he push. Try to switch. You know what I mean? Try to
This one, right?
Yeah, exactly. You can just switch this way. And if it's knee pain, put some towel under. Push, 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 and relax.
It's a little weak.
So if I can help him. I can get this band around that knee. Go ahead and push, and I can resist him. You don't see it? Here we go. Yeah, and
It's good.
and go inside. Here we go, and push, 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 push. So he's feel it everywhere. Let it go.
Wow.
Exactly. Wow. So flexion, extension. You can do side. You can do all type of squeezing. Trust me. You can even squeeze. I like to do this one. I'll work on my back, get that ball right behind that lower back. This is how I load my glutes. My back is straight, and I'm squeeze and push myself away towards the wall. I'm squeeze and I'm loaded. You see, here we go. What I feel I need to tilt it this way to get that both side is stronger. If I'm going here, I do feel discomfort in my spine, and I squeeze and I push. Activate my glutes and balancing my hips because they always unbalance because we're sitting. Thanks for watching. You guys, see you next week. Bye-bye. Watch our Zaratka 7:30 live.